Humans tend to romanticize the cosmos, focusing on the beauty of distant stars, while grumbling about a rainy afternoon ruining our weekend plans. This comfort masks a brutal reality. The galaxy operates as an aggressively hostile environment. Earth functions as a heavily padded safe room in a universe built for mass extinction. By mapping the most extreme exoplanets ever discovered, we can categorize the specific physical mechanisms the universe uses to dismantle and dissolve planetary bodies. Survival in this environment is a statistical anomaly, and these worlds show us exactly how the cosmic execution process works. HD 189733b sits 64 light-years away, appearing as a tranquil, inviting azure marble against the void. High-altitude clouds of silicate particles create that deep blue hue. These silicates bake at 1,000 degrees Celsius before condensing into shards of molten glass that rain sideways in horizontal storms moving at 5,400 miles per hour. Astronomers used the Chandra X-ray Observatory to track this world's transits, detecting the extreme radiation levels that are currently stripping its outer atmosphere into space. Gas giants like WASP-76b and WASP-121b take this atmospheric violence further through an orbital configuration known as tidal locking. Tidal locking traps one hemisphere in permanent daylight and the other in perpetual darkness. On WASP-121b, 4,700-degree heat physically shatters water molecules into individual atoms. Extreme thermal gradients generate 11,000-mile-per-hour winds, transporting these vaporized metals across the border to the cold hemisphere. As the vapor hits the cold night side, it condenses into a liquid metal downpour. This is a world where it literally rains iron, rubies, and sapphires. Weather on these tidally locked worlds functions as an atmospheric meat grinder, designed to melt, shred, and recycle matter in seconds. Thermal annihilation provides another method of execution, beginning with the total darkness of Tress 2b. It reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it darker than coal. Its atmosphere is dominated by vaporized sodium and potassium that absorb almost all visible light. The planet is so hot, it only emits a dim 1,800-degree red thermal glow, like a burning ember in the dark. In contrast to total absorption, Kepler 70b was physically swallowed by its own host star. As the host star expanded into a red giant, it initiated envelope stripping. The star's plasma physically burned away the planet's entire gaseous atmosphere during the engulfment phase. All that survives is a naked metallic core that is now hotter than the surface of our sun, reaching over 7,000 Kelvin. This heat keeps the planet's surface in the state of a violently boiling metallic ocean, leaving a trail of metal vapor in its orbital wake. Extreme proximity to a star results in an inevitable binary, either the total absorption of light or the total dissolution of matter. Even a star's death offers no safety. Using the Arecibo radio telescope, astronomers discovered the Lich System, the first confirmed extrasolar planets, by tracking timing anomalies in a pulsar. The system's host is a millisecond pulsar, the rapidly spinning, ultra-dense corpse of a star that has already collapsed. Its 3 planets, Draugr, Poltergeist, and Phogator, formed from the pulverized debris left behind after a previous stellar cataclysm. Today, these remnants endure a relentless bombardment of X-rays and gamma rays from the spinning pulsar, sterilizing any possibility of life. The Lich System proves that a star's corpse can continue to execute any planetary bodies in its vicinity through lethal radiation. Returning our focus to our own solar system clarifies just how unique our situation is. Earth's breathable atmosphere and stable climate represent extreme cosmic deviations from the galactic norm. The physics of tidal locking, of envelope stripping, and pulsar radiation are the standard rules that violently govern the rest of the universe. A rainy Tuesday or a slight chill on Earth is a statistical miracle in a galaxy that otherwise functions as a mechanism for your destruction.